Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing my headache roller. Today is super busy for me, so I am doing this in the car, but I owe you guys this recipe. So here we go. This is my headache roller. Um, we're gonna do 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops of frankincense, 5 drops of copaiba, 5 drops of peppermint, and 5 drops of PanAway. Lavender helps to relieve pain and get your muscles and brain to relax. Frankincense, it's good at relaxing muscles and good for reducing swelling. Copaiba is also a very powerful swelling reducer. It helps protect your brain and is good at relieving pain. Peppermint is also good at reducing swelling, at relieving pain, specifically for headaches and feeling like you're going to be sick. And PanAway is a really good blend of peppermint as well. We've got wintergreen to help improve blood flow, also good at reducing swelling. Helichrysum is also good at improving blood flow and good at reducing swelling. Let's see, clove acts to reduce pain, helps improve blood flow, and is also good at reducing swelling. A little warning about clove. Its blood thinning properties can be enhanced when taken with medications that already are doing so. So you're going to want to be careful when using clove, just as a little warning. All right, come back tomorrow for the next thing involving peppermint.